Morning children, welcome back to English grammar class. Today we will start our chapter 2, a sentence and praise. Sentence and praise. A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. What is sentence? A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. That means when the words are gathered together with a sensible meaning. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. Then that group of words is called a sentence. The following things are to be taken care. First, the first letter of the sentence should be in capital letter. While we are going to write a sentence, the first letter should be in capital letter. And there should be a order of words. There should be a order of words. A sentence always will end with full stop, question mark or exclamatory mark. A sentence begins with a capital letter, then ends with a full stop, question mark or exclamatory mark. All of you understand what is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which make complete sense. Then a sentence there will be a noun, verb, adverb, adjective and object. In a sentence there will be a noun, verb, adverb, adjective and object. So you can follow this exercise given. Now you just see this exercise. I love my country. First exercise here given. I love my country. I stands for subject. Then love stands for verb. You know that what is verb? Verb is a doing words. Then here love stands for verb. And my country is what? Object. My country is object. Then second one, Anuj celebrated his birthday. Anuj celebrated his birthday. Here Anuj is subject. Then what is the verb? Celebrated is the verb. Then what is the object? His birthday. Then see the third one. We are going to Mumbai. We are going to Mumbai. Here the subject is we and verb is what? Are going and object is to Mumbai. We are going to Mumbai. Then fourth one, girls play with the dolls. The girls is the subject. Then what is the verb? Play is the verb. Then what is the object? With the dolls is the object. Then fifth one, boys like cricket or hockey. Boys is the subject. Then like is the object. Then cricket or hockey is like is the verb. Then cricket or hockey is the object. Then just you see this exercise. Arrange the following words to make proper sentences. Arrange these following words to make proper sentences. You have to make it proper sentences. First given, quite keep. Is it in order? No. First we will write keep quiet. Then K become capital letter. Then after quiet, full stop. Then second one, just to see that Simmi girl is a beautiful A. Simmi girl is beautiful A. Is it in order? No. It is in disorder. Then first you have to write Simmi is a beautiful girl. Then what you want to do? You have to put the full stop. Then third one, Abdul Hamid courage great shot. Abdul Hamid courage great shot. Is it in order? No, it is not at all in order. First you have to write Abdul Hamid. Then what will be the next? What is the verb? Verb is shot. Then what is the object? Great courage. Then fourth one, a wise king Ashoka was. Then what is the subject? Subject is the Ashoka. Then you have to write here Ashoka. Then Ashoka was a wise king. See the sentence Ashoka. Then was a wise king. Then fifth one, oranges do you like? Do like you. Oranges do like you. It is asking question. Do you like oranges? Then do, it is the first letter of a sentence will be capital D. Then after this, do you like oranges? Then you have to put a question mark here because it is a question. Then sixth one, country India is a developing. Country India is a developing. It is, you have to arrange this sentence. India, what is the subject? India. Then what is the verb? Is a developing. It is the verb. Doing words developing. Then what is the object? Country. India is a developing country. Then one more. Nest, build, birds. Nest, build, birds. Then what is the subject in this sentence? You see that. What is the subject? Subject is nest, build or birds. Birds is the subject and you have to write first B. Then you have to mention it. First letter of a sentence will be capital. Birds, build, it is the verb, build. Then nest is the object. Birds build nest. What doing the birds? They build a nest. Then birds will nest. Then eighth one, this mirror broke who? This mirror broke who? Then what is the subject? Who broke, it is the verb. Then you have to write second broke. This mirror is the object. Who broke this mirror? Then you have to put the question mark because it is a question. Then ninth one, Kanika chocolates like. Kanika chocolates like. Then first you have to write subject is the Kanika. Then what is the verb? Second one is verb. You have to write chocolates or likes. What is the verb? Likes. Then you have to mention here likes is the verb. Then chocolate is the object. What Kanika like? Kanika like chocolate. Then this is the first you have to write Kanika is the subject. Then like is the verb and object is chocolate. Then 10th one, on DVD switch the. You have to arrange it. On DVD switch the. You have to write first switch on the DVD. Switch on the DVD. Then you have to put full stop here. Okay, all of you understand? I hope you understand the exercise number 1. Okay, thank you students. Be safe, stay at home. We can see tomorrow. Thank you.